Are magazines a good investment? Are magazines a good investment? This is a question many collectors and enthusiasts ponder. When it comes to sports collectibles, magazines can indeed hold potential value, but several factors come into play. First, let's talk about rarity and condition. Older magazines that are rare and in excellent condition tend to be more sought after. For example, a 1956 Sports Illustrated featuring Mickey Mantle can sell for thousands of dollars if it is well preserved. Collectors often prefer magazines without tears, stains, or mailing labels, as these factors can significantly affect value. Next, market activity is essential. Some sports magazines have shown consistent sales over time. A prime example is the 1983 Sports Illustrated issue with Mike Tyson on the cover, which has maintained steady demand and higher prices compared to similar issues. Newsstand copies of magazines usually fetch higher prices than subscription versions, making them a better choice for investment. Another factor to consider is the popularity of cover subjects. Magazines featuring iconic athletes at significant moments are more likely to attract collectors. For instance, LeBron James' Chosen One cover or the first appearance of legends like Mickey Mantle can drive prices up, especially for high-grade copies. Now, let's look at the collector versus investor market. The sports magazine collecting community is often driven by hobbyists rather than large-scale investors. This means that while some issues can appreciate in value, the market may be less liquid and more niche compared to other collectibles like trading cards. Prices can fluctuate due to the impulse by nature of some magazines. We can also highlight examples of high-value sales. Certain sports magazines have sold for thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars when graded and well-preserved. A high-grade copy of a 1955 boxing magazine featuring Mike Tyson or a 1953 Time magazine with Mickey Mantle's first cover appearance can command significant prices. For those interested in investing in sports magazines, focusing on issues with iconic sports figures, historic significance, and excellent condition can increase the chance of value appreciation. Grading magazines professionally can help establish their condition and potentially boost market value. Newsstand editions without mailing labels are preferred for investment purposes. Building a collection of annuals or runs of specific sports magazines can also appeal to collectors and may hold value over time. In summary, sports magazines can be a good investment within the sports collectibles field if chosen carefully based on rarity, condition, and subject matter. However, they tend to be more of a niche collectible with a market driven by enthusiasts, which can affect liquidity and price stability.